The current system is to have the specimen sent across to New Zealand by courier. This has been confirmed by gynecologists from Middlemore Hospital in Auckland, Anne-Marie van der Merwe and Caitlin Prendergast, who conducted the clinics at the Niuefo'ou Hospital in April this year. Responding to BCN News, Caitlin Prendergast stated the specimen are sent from Niuefo'ou Hospital laboratory to the Auckland Lab Plus by courier. She stated that as gynecologists, they are not involved with that process, and it is the laboratory and hospital's responsibility. According to Prendergast, this is the second time this has happened. Specimen went missing with a previous visit in 2017. She says they have been waiting since May and have been contacting the labs at both ends, hoping the samples would turn up, as some have. Both gynecologists have decided it has been long enough and have contacted the women involved. These specimens will need to be taken again. Prendergast stated this can be done by the medical staff in Niue. Currently, there is only one qualified nurse registered to perform smears at the hospital. For their next visit, Prendergast states they are looking into permissions with the Ministry for Primary Industries in New Zealand in order to be able to physically transport the specimen themselves. In her response, Prendergast stated, quote, "This has been extremely frustrating and we are very upset by this, as this is the second incident and may be harmful to our patients. We agree that this has been unacceptable for the women involved, and all we can do is apologize for the delay and continue to work to improve the system," unquote. BCN News has contacted the Director General of Social Services, who is yet to reply to our queries.